In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Meet for Team. To get started, open Google Meet and look for the New Meeting button. This is where you begin creating a meeting space for your team. When you click it, you'll see a few options, and for a planned team meeting, the best choice is to schedule it in Google Calendar. This is useful because it helps you organize the meeting properly instead of creating a meeting link that you might forget to send later. Once Google Calendar opens, you can begin filling in the meeting details. This part is important because it gives your team all the information they need in one place. Start by adding a clear title for the meeting so everyone immediately understands what it's about. Then choose the date and time carefully. If your team works across different schedules, take a moment to make sure the timing works well for everyone. You can also set the duration so the meeting has a clear start and end time. After that, type in the rest of the details. This may include a short description of the meeting, the purpose of the call, or anything your team should prepare in advance. Keeping this section simple but informative can make the meeting more productive, because people will know what to expect before they join. If the Google Meet link is attached automatically, that means participants will be able to join directly from the calendar invite, which makes the process much smoother. Next, click on Add Guests. This is where you invite the people who need to attend. Enter your team members so they can receive the invitation in their inbox and on their calendars. Be careful to add the correct people, especially if the meeting is for a specific project or department. Inviting them through the calendar event is better than sending the link separately because it keeps everything organized in one place. Once you've added your team, quickly review everything before finishing. Make sure the title is correct, the time is right, and all guests have been included. A quick final check can help you avoid confusion later. When everything looks good, the meeting is ready to be shared through Google Calendar, and your team will be able to join using the Google Meet link at the scheduled time. That's how to create a Google Meet for your team in a simple and organized way.